Alright, today we're shooting an updated video of Rigby. Rigby's gotten much bigger, much stronger, and much more handsome than he was in the last video you saw. So we wanted to give you a little update with how good he looks and all of his obedience, and just show him off a little bit for you. Very nice, calm obedience. Solid basic obedience. We're working on the off-leash with him now, and it's coming along very well. As you can see, we got a lot of distractions going on in here. We have other dogs in here, we have other trainers in here, and Rigby's paying attention, ready to work with a great attitude. There's a little update of Rigby.